Well, so far so good. I have made it home. I have found my keys in the glove box where they have been for the last 48 days, give or take. Oh. Last time we came home, there was a huge run. Huh? My Firefly's still here. Greg's got the 41 out of his yard. I guess I got to put it in mine. Bummer. Buick's still there. Well, it's been 6-7 weeks since we were last here. 48 days, what is that? Almost 7 weeks. Truck is still here. Fence is still up, kind of. Looks like everything's here. I think we had some wind. Obviously, these things weren't piled up there when I left. Must have had a pretty good storm. Whoa. Well, everything is just as organized as when I left it. I don't even remember where the keys for the trailer are. Let's just take a quick look out back, see if any massive rocks have fallen down on anything else since we've been gone. We bought it with one dented door, now it has two. One of the delivery guys managed to cave it in for me. But he did come and tell us, so we told him it was okay. Let's take a look, see what's going on back here. It must have been a fairly wet summer. Everything's still green, not burnt brown, which is unusual for here. There's my Dana 60 going in the Cornet RT. We got to cut the 4-link off. That's handy. Gonna do some welding on that. Oh, there's a nugget. Good place for it to stop, though. I remember this stump being here. That's new. Couple nuggets there. Couple little pebbles. Pennies from heaven, as we call them in the rock scaling world. I don't see any fresh ones. Oh, that one was this spring. That was a fair-sized nugget, too. From up there. Jeez, wouldn't want to sleep under here. Might be hazardous to one's health. This was the one that caved in the 64. You can see it was a fair to middling chunk. This one almost got the Blazer before we sold it, so anyway, not too bad. Boy, it falls back another 80-90 feet, I won't have to do anything. It'll be stable. When your wishes were horses, beggars would ride. So there is one nugget up there that's, what is that? Yeah, that one up there looks fairly substantive. We'll see. Might have to knock it down when we get some snow. Anyway, shop's still standing. Go open the back door, see if we still have shop. Almost looks just like when I left it 48 days ago. Got to get the windows in the Charger. I got them. Gotta talk to our buddy Phil. Front back glass in. Get the upholstery put in this thing. Start piecing it together. Winter project. 68 Charger. Anyway, so far so good. Don't think anybody managed to get any of the cars out of here because they would have to move all this stuff. We got everything pretty well barricaded in here. Yeah, that's weird, man. That had to be quite the wind. Yeah, there's a fresh divot. Good thing I know a body guy. Oh, good thing I never took out the Corvette. Wow, that was lucky. Came close. But as we say in rock scaling, close doesn't count. Horseshoes and hand grenades. Anyway, Morris looks unscathed. Cornet. Skylark. So far, I'm pretty damn happy. Everything is as it should be. Alarm is set. It's good. I remember the code. Wow. Now I remember the mess we left. Oh, there's the laundry I packed up to take on the journey, and that's where it stayed. Sometimes it makes me wonder. Anyway, well, at least I got some clean laundry when I got back. That's a win. Oh, what's sitting here? We got the Chevelle. Mine, the wheel bearings are gone. Got to fix that ASAP. A little dustier than when we left. It was more work waiting. Anyway, all is well with the world. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll do a wrap-up video of the trip. But now I think I'm just going to sit down and take it easy for a little bit. It's been a pretty unreal trip. Thanks for coming along with us, guys. Remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy. And tomorrow it all starts again. Chaos reigns. Well, we just pulled up to Connor's house, and he's been watching my dog. And we're gonna see if he remembers me or not, or if he's found a new home where they treat him better than I do. At least I keep him cleaner than I keep myself anyway. Let's see what happens.
Do you know who's here? Do you know who's here?
Oh,
Oh, look who it is!
Lincoln! Lincoln! Oh, Lincoln! Lincoln! Open it up.
I almost can't believe it's you.
Come on.
Oh,
Oh, oh my God! You got a smile for me? You got a smile for me? Oh, yes. Oh, look how clean you are. What a,
yeah, he had a bath.
oh, yes.
I don't think I've ever heard him whine.
Are you okay? Okay?
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Did you miss your dad?
Who do you think he's going to go to? Do you want to get in the truck?
Give him a
Want to
minute.
get in the truck?
Okay, he's going
Okay,
with
where's
you.
the truck?
Lincoln, come here.
Lincoln, come back!
Don't let him run away. Come here.
Lincoln,
Come on.
come here!
Come on.
Here, come.
No, Lincoln, I thought you left me.
Oh, you happy? Are we going to go in the truck? Come on, okay, Lear, let's stay.
Lincoln, come here.
He wants in the truck.
Lincoln, come here.
Come say goodbye.
Oh.
No. All that and not even a goodbye?
Oh, they treated you so good. Yes, I'm happy to see you. Okay, are you going to go shriek in my truck? He just wants to go in the truck. What? Okay, sit. Come here, sit. Sit. Are you happy? Are you happy? You just want to go in the truck? Okay. Okay, hang on. Put him in the truck. I'll come back. Come on. No, not this truck. Come on, let's go. No, come. Come on. Come on, let's go. This one, yep. Come on. Okay, get in the truck. Get in the truck. Okay, good boy. Okay. You happy? You happy? What a good guy. Yes, yes. Look at that smiling face. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. You stay. What a good guy. What a good guy. Yes. Yes, you're such a good guy. Lincoln, you happy? Are you happy to be in the truck? Yeah, that looks like a happy face. Looks like a happy face. With a happy face, yes. Oh, get that wasp. You're gonna get that wasp. Oh, yes, I'm happy. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Yeah, shake a paw. What a happy puppy. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna come back. Okay, let's go, Link. What are you doing? Lincoln, what are you doing?